Morning, Chuck here at Garden Spot Acres. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. We have a little project we're going to be doing today. Take about 15 minutes or so, but I want you to imagine something. Imagine a little goat with her head through that gap and she can't get out. Right now I got a chain around here on our gate to keep this closed, but it doesn't keep it tight enough where she can't force her head through there. So we're going to go ahead and install a SpeeCo gate latch. Let's go down to the shop. I'll show you what we're looking at and how we're going to install it. This is the little wedge head right here. She likes to get herself into predicaments. Don't you, Beatrice? She's a sweetie though. So we're going to put the SpeeCo gate latch on just so she doesn't get herself caught someday and I can't get her out. Hey, back at the shop. This is what we're going to be installing here. The SpeeCo gate latch, two-way lockable gate latch. Looks like this here. Here are the parts. Pretty substantial. These run about $20, $25. And pretty much mounted on a, this is mounted on the post. This part here. This part here gets mounted on the gate. And they go together like that to hold it. Let me go out and show you one of these already installed. Here's one here. Just got a couple lift up handles. You can see it working there. Attached to the post. I have a gap in between here, so I had to fill that gap. So I filled that gap with a 4x4. Okay. And here's the part that attaches to the post. You lift up the handle, gate opens. Can't open it right now, Goober's in here. That's Scooter. He's coming up to say hi. And you can open either way. You can open this handle, push it in, and they're self-closing. Like that. We have to do the same thing on the other one. We have to fill a gap in first. And on the other one, I'm going to use a 2x4 instead of a 4x4 to fill the gap. Let's go get that installed. Just want to make sure that the square hole, you're putting the bolt through the square hole. Okay, no way to get a little head through there anymore. I'd rather fill the gap here than leave any gap here so I can get a padlock in here or something. I don't want any gap in here, so I'm gonna forego locking this anyways. Thanks for coming along today. We'll see you on the next video. If you get a chance, share this with your friends and family. And go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.